Welcome to another Resource Insider update. My name is Jamie Keach and I'm the co-founder of Resource Insider. We've spoken at length about why you need to be looking at commodities right now, why smart investors are positioning themselves in things like gold and copper and silver. Today we're going to be talking about where we put our own money to maximize returns, to make the most money possible in this sector, and how investors at home can do that as well. Many people begin their journey as natural resource investors by investing in physical metals. This is particularly true when it comes to precious metals, things like gold coins or silver bars. And although this is a great place to start, it is not the most efficient way to benefit from a bull market or an environment where metal prices are rising. There are unique challenges to owning physical precious metals. Things like transport, things like storage. You need to make sure it is kept safe. You need to protect yourself from theft and loss. And this can be both expensive and open you up to risk. Since coronavirus hit in early 2020, it has been extremely hard to actually purchase physical precious metals. You can get around the challenges of buying physical gold or silver synthetically in the form of an ETF or an exchange-traded fund. And while ETFs are easy to purchase, they protect investors from the challenges of transport and storage, and they do give exposure to rising metal prices, they come with their own set of drawbacks. First, you often end up paying fees to the ETF for holding and managing your gold for you. Secondly, when you buy an ETF, you don't actually own gold. You are buying shares in a trustee. This is a paper claim on gold. It's not actual gold itself. And third, ETFs simply track metal prices. They don't provide you with any actual leverage to gold price. The best way to get exposure to miners, and the way I do it, is to buy equity. That means buying gold miners, not gold bars or silver coins. It means buying stock in mining companies. These can be publicly traded companies like those listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange or the New York Stock Exchange, or you can do it the way we do it at Resource Insider. You can participate in private placements or buy into companies pre-IPO so you can get access to warrants and cheaper prices. When it comes to investing in mining companies, the upside potential is significantly higher than ETFs or purchasing physical gold or silver. As an investor, you own a piece of a company that might be operating a profitable gold mine or might be working towards making a new big silver discovery. Not only do you get exposure to the underlying commodity price, but you get to share in the wins of the company. If they make a big discovery, or if they beat their production targets, this value can be reflected in the share price, and investors have the opportunity to make massive returns here. This is leverage beyond just metal prices, and it is particularly pronounced in a rising metal price environment. If we look at the silver bull market that occurred between 2003 and 2008, we can see some good examples of where these leverage returns occurred. Here we can see silver price increase by 332%. Whereas silver miners such as Endeavor Silver and Mag Silver increased by over 2,000% during the same time period. At the same time, we saw gold increase by 192%. Obviously, this represents a great return on capital. However, it is nowhere near what Newcrest Mining did when they went up nearly 500% during that period. These represent truly leveraged returns, and what commodity investors and natural resource investors should be looking for. We know commodity prices are cyclical, and in a rising metal price environment, not only are these returns possible, they are expected. But a word of caution, not all mining companies are created equal. Even in the most bullish environment, even with the best metal prices, don't underestimate the ability of bad management teams or poor underperforming assets to lose you money. So while investing in mining companies is often the best way to get exposure to commodities and precious metals, you need to invest in the right mining companies, the ones with great assets and proven experienced teams. At Resource Insider, my team and I are 100% focused on finding these companies. If you'd like to see where I'm investing my own money in the gold and natural resource sector, sign up to my free email list at resource-insider.com. If you haven't already, please like this video and follow us on YouTube. Thanks for watching.